Hi guys, ug karon guys, nami diri sa fireworks stand sa tindahan og fireworks ay ugma kay 4th of July na. So akong anak ganahan man mag try og fireworks. So let's go guys.
It'll charge you for the more expensive thing, and then the next most expensive thing is half off, and then the next thing you'll get charged for. And that's we could do so everything in here is buy one get one half off. Goes around the big ball like that, and red, blue, and green. I think I said it. July 14th, Jubilation's really good. Wicked Christmas. Guys.
There is the fireworks. Okay guys, ang mga napalit guys. Palit og lain. It's $35 is a one bag, a small bag. See? My goodness. $35 expensive. Only this. Yeah, that's it for now guys. Bye.